And welcome back. And we get back on track with the news that Guyana has been confirmed as the host nation for next year's 54th staging of the CARIFTA Games, while Barbados will stage the 2028 edition. A release from NACAC on Thursday said this development secures the immediate future of the CARIFTA Games, adding that this was made possible by the swift intervention and support of the CARICOM Heads of Government. The announcement comes after the two member federations, which had expressed interest in hosting the 2027 Games, withdrew just days before the CARICOM Heads of Government meeting, which took place from July 5 to 8. NACAC said it appealed directly to the CARICOM heads regarding the urgent need to secure a host for next year's staging and on the broader value of sports to the region's young people. NACAC also announced that this year's CARIFTA Games held in Grenada achieved the widest television and livestream viewership in CARIFTA history, reaching audiences across the Caribbean, United States and Europe. Meanwhile, NACAC Athletics has now taken control of the broadcast rights to its events, positioning the CARIFTA Games and other NACAC competitions to reach wider audiences while generating new revenue for the sport.